Welcome to Season Shorts. Today, our animated chef Duey C.K. and his witty sidekick Peppy are diving into the delicious world of spring strawberries. Let's kick things off with a classic, strawberry shortcake. Begin by slicing fresh, juicy strawberries and mixing them with a touch of sugar. Let them sit while you bake your shortcakes to golden perfection. Once done, layer the shortcakes with the sweetened strawberries and dollops of whipped cream. It's a dessert that screams spring. But did you know strawberries have a fascinating history? In ancient Rome, they were believed to alleviate melancholy and were used in medicinal remedies. Fast forward to the 14th century, strawberries were cultivated in France and soon became a beloved treat across Europe. Now, let's add a refreshing twist to your spring menu with a strawberry spinach salad. Toss fresh spinach with sliced strawberries, crumbled feta, and toasted almonds. Drizzle with a balsamic vinaigrette for a burst of flavor. As you enjoy these vibrant dishes, remember that strawberries were once symbols of purity and perfection in medieval times. So grab your apron and join Duey C.K. and Peppy as they blend history and taste in these spring strawberry sensations. Happy cooking!